Hello, I'm Dr. Alison Bradley. I'm a GP at Warrington and also the clinical chair of North Staffordshire CCG. So as part of this year's Antibiotics campaign, we've produced a series of videos, some of which are for patients, which are on the website, but also some that are for prescribing clinicians to help them make decisions about whether or not to prescribe antibiotics. For prescribers, these cover prescribing strategies and also how to manage patients' expectations. I'd recommend these videos to you because they really help to not only help us to manage the high and low risk patients, but also that difficult group in the middle that we really struggle sometimes with deciding should we prescribe or not. Sometimes people come to their GP because they have the confidence in us, just really sometimes seeking reassurance that actually continuing to manage their respiratory tract infection at home is the right thing to do and not actually to need an antibiotic. At the CCG, we have produced a postcard which we can hand out to our patients if we decide not to prescribe an antibiotic. Some patients like to leave our consulting rooms with something in their hand, either a prescription or sometimes a piece of paper with some advice on there. The postcard is a really good way of explaining how to manage their symptoms, actually what to look for if their symptoms are getting worse, and also gives us the opportunity to personalise their follow-up. So we can write on at the bottom of the postcard the day we would expect them to come back to us if their symptoms had got worse or hadn't got any better. So I'd ask you to really think carefully as to whether we really need to prescribe an antibiotic, but also to use the postcards as something that we can give to our patients to help them manage their respiratory tract infections and other infections effectively themselves.